And me.
It's
and me.
Mildred Melissa.
Oh, Mildred Melissa.
And Devin.
I want to show
Oh,
you.
Hi.
Oh, would you go get her?
You better put the phone down.
No.
Yes, don't.
Wait.
Talk
No,
to
put the
Gail.
phone
No,
down.
we will
Okay,
after.
I will
Hang
hold
up. Hang up.
Gail wants to talk to you.
Hang up on her. Just hang up on her.
Look
We
at-
have to show you something.
There's your signature.
What happened?
It's
We
your
got-
signature.
Her tattoo is your signature.
It says "always in my heart."
And it says it in
Where'd
Italian.
you go?
It's
Get
that
her?
means sempre neo
Got no
mio.
gas, you wouldn't get her.
No,
I
she
got
didn't.
gas.
I was already in Fitchburg.
Shh. Do you like it? It's your real signature.
You're crazy.
You don't like
Looks
it?
like dirt.
It's your signature.
Yeah,
That's
my
how you,
signature?
That's Mildred
Yeah,
Alario.
she-
Why would that be my
She
signature?
she
Because
took
we transferred it off that paper that you wrote your signature on. What do you think of this?
I think it's stupid.
That's
You're
so
on
mean.
video.
I don't care.
She thinks it's stupid. And then there's a
Nani
clown.
Gail's still on the phone. I
See,
can
it
hear.
made me...
Annie Gail,
But-
can you hear everything? She doesn't like it.
I love it.
Oh.
She knew about it?
No, she likes it. You like it.
No, I don't.
You like it.
Gail knew about it?